Here, the forest doesn't surround the village. It holds it. Palm trees lean over rooftops. Vines creeps along fences. Every path in and out passes beneath a canopy of green. Morning here begins slowly. Smoke rises from a cooking fire before the sun fully clears the trees. A woman sweeps the dust from her doorstep. Somewhere nearby, a rooster insists it's time to wake up, even though the village already has. Life moves at the pace the land allows. Nothing here is rushed. Nothing here needs to be. Just beyond the last house, the bush takes over. Cassava stems, banana leaves, and tall grass that always, even when there is the wind you can't feel. This land fits the village long before any market does. Children walk the same path their parents walk. Weaving between trees they have known their whole life.